Well, g'day there traders and friends right around the world. Thanks for tuning in to this special stock update, which I do from time to time here on the Pivot Point Trading YouTube channel. What I've done today at least is I've gone through and analyzed some additional stocks, and from time to time I'll bring you an individual stock with a stellar trade setup when of course it presents itself. Now, the ticker symbol on this particular trade or this particular stock is DTV. The company name is DirectTV. It is traded on the NASDAQ. The reason why this is so appealing to me as a technical trader is that we are trading at a very, very important and historical pivot point on the daily chart. If you have a look at the chart of digital TV, you can see that since May 2014, we have run up into this $88 resistance level, and it has acted as resistance since May 2014. Not only have we hit this once, we've hit it twice. We've hit it a couple more times throughout September 2014. We'll call that 3. We've got another multi-month touch, which is number 4. We almost have another 5th at the end of 2014. And most recently, at the current juncture, we have got a multi-week touch here, really denoting the 6th time that we've hit this $88 level on this particular stock. Now, what's interesting is that we do have earnings coming out on the 19th. So please pay attention to this, but this is where the trade gets very, very interesting and exciting for us as technical traders. If we can gap up, right, if earnings come up and we gap above $88, say for instance, we close above $89.98, so really around that psychological $90 area on this particular stock, there's going to be an incredible upside potential and multi-month, even potentially a multi-year trend, which could set up on this DirectTV. Individual stock traded on the NASDAQ. Very, very exciting for this. You can see that if I change to the weekly, we've been in a long uptrend, really since 2009. You can see I've just connected some of the lows here. And really since 2013 at least, the velocity or the trend has actually appreciated, all right? So it's moved away from the primary trend line. This is what we call a fan line, and it's saying that the trend is becoming stronger. Now, this is interesting as well. What I can do is simply put in a sell short entry on this as well, because this is a stock which acts very disciplined. You can see on my chart here, between the resistance lines and the support lines, once we touch these pivot points, we generally get a very strong reaction, right? We bounce off from support, we sell off from resistance. We bounce off from support, we sell off from resistance. The same is true over and over again. You can see we bounce off resistance, we bounce off from support. The same is true over and over again. So it's giving us some really good structure. Again, earnings is a little bit of a wild card, but this stock has definitely caught my attention, and it's worthy to keep on your watch list for at least later in this week. Really what I want to see on this particular stock is to see it close above this resistance level. If this occurs, watch for the sentiment, the bullish optimism to run into this stock. Again, in agreement with the overall markets, this could be an incredible long trade, at least in the month of February, March, and April 2015. So please pay attention to it. Hope this has been worthy of your time. I'm glad I have shared with you, as I do from time to time. Let me know if you enjoy this analysis and if you'd like any individual stock updates moving forward. All the best, ladies and gentlemen. Have a fantastic Tuesday evening. I'll see you all later in the week for another market update. All the best. Goodbye.